Hi, Namaste, beautiful people. Welcome to you and Rise Above. As you know, that my mission is to introduce you with the ideas and the thought process which allows you to dig deep so you can explore your supernatural nature in you and you can rise above in any given situation and condition, whether it is coronavirus, COVID-19 or any situation in the world, because you are supernatural, you are magical. So, one thing which I could just talk about is what is that one mantra one can just apply in one's life and just change the entire situation and condition? What it could be. Just I don't want to do so many things. I just want one thing in my life which just changes dramatically in my life. That is the gratitude. And it is a proven fact that when you are grateful for the things, you start looking at you know, things differently, completely differently, and you rewire your brain to see the beauty about the situation. You start seeing the beauty about the people. You start seeing the beauty around you. You are surrounded by every small thing. So this is the most powerful thing when you start being grateful of everything in your life. You start looking at the beauty and it brings you into the present moment immediately. It just grounds you here and now, and you start looking in a different way. You become, in even difficult people also, or difficult situation also, you become a picker of beautiful things. Oh my God, these are the beautiful things in these people. These are the things beautiful in these circumstances, which is making, you start picking those stuffs and you're just embarrassing those things, and the universe say, you love that. And instead of those difficult situation, the beauty which you are seeing, you automatically start attracting in your life more of it. You start seeing. In my acting class, I used to do this exercise, which is like, today you are going to see for example, color yellow, and all of a sudden I start seeing everywhere the color yellow, and I start seeing those stuffs, and your brain start functioning in a different way. You only see that, and when you start seeing, you start putting in your brain that, wow, you see that, how you start seeing the different grades of it. Your mind opens to a different dimension altogether. So this is what happens if you are in a difficult situation or in relationship. When you start being grateful, automatically when the things start changing in you start looking at this relationship or the people also in a different way. And when these things start changing in you, after some time, those people also start seeing those changes, and these circumstances also automatically start shifting, and it becomes like, oh my God, you haven't even not thought about it. Sometimes just this thing, being grateful, changes so much in you that your relationship becomes much more stronger, your connection becomes much more stronger, and the other person also start changing. um, Whether it is changes or not, but you start changing. But in many situations it has come that the your relationship with yourself, with other people also changes, and circumstances in your life, because the universe starts seeing that the changes in you, and you automatically start attracting those things into your life. And if the difficult relationship which is not changing, and you start seeing those beauty in that person, those picking up those stuffs, maybe, and the thing which you have in your mind, you are rewriting your mind, and you start attracting maybe the other person who has all those qualities in that person, and you say, oh wow, beautiful, and your connection to the relationship, to the life, to the circumstances just changes. You become a completely different person, and the obstacles don't look obstacles, or the situation don't look situation, because your mindset of seeing the things has changed completely dramatically, and everything looks beautiful, wonderful, and you have got everything becomes an adventure for you, because nothing is going to affect you. And if I am seeing the beauty, I know how to pick up the things, how I can maneuver, how I can create in difficult circumstances also. I can sing, I can create the beauty and the beautiful song, I can write a beautiful poetry, I can paint in paint those things. It is up to us. What are we going to do with that? So gratitude is such a powerful thing. So if one thing we want to change in our life and want to see a dramatic change, the one thing, one mantra which we want to carry with ourselves is just the gratitude. Be grateful for everything in life, every small thing. Then you will see the whole world, everything changes around. And that's the only way at this time we can change our circumstances, ourselves, and the condition and the situation, and we can just rise above in any situation and condition, whether it is coronavirus, COVID-19, or anything, because we are supernatural, we are magical beings. Love you, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Good night. And please keep on putting your comments and all that. I'm going to see, whether I'm going to see it in 10 days or no. But when I come back, I'm going to answer you, every single one of you. So just keep posting your feedback, and I love you. Keep sharing the message. Maybe this message is so useful for other people. Love you. And namaste. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.